fixed Facebook Messenger video and audio call not working on iPhone. So if both the audio and video call on your iPhone is not working for the Messenger app, it could be a very simple reason that the Messenger app is lacking access for your camera and microphone. Now, in order to fix this, what we're going to do is we're going to open up settings. When we open up settings, we simply scroll and look for the option called privacy and security and tap on it. From privacy and security, the first option that you want to look for is microphone. So when you go to microphone, make sure you've allowed the microphone access for the Messenger app and turn on the toggle here. After microphone, that will fix the voice call. For video call, you need to also have camera access enabled. So select camera and make sure you have turned on the toggle for Messenger, because if this is turned off, Messenger will not be able to access your camera or your microphone. And after you've done that, just check for updates on the App Store. So go to your App Store and check if the Messenger app has any sort of update available. And if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. And just like that, you've successfully solved the issue. So this way you can go ahead and then fix Facebook Messenger's video and audio call not working. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.